Smart 4 Home. In today's video, I'll show you how to install the Tyrant Build on Kodi, and the best part is, it's completely free and works without Real-Debrid. So if you're looking for a lightweight, fast, and non-Debrid Kodi build, this guide is perfect for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Enable unknown sources. First, open Kodi, click on the Settings, Gear icon. Go to System, select Add-ons, turn on Unknown Sources, click Yes to confirm. This allows Kodi to install third-party builds. Step 2. Add Tyrant Build source. Now let's add the Tyrant Build repository source. Go back to Settings, open File Manager, click Add Source, select None, enter the following URL carefully: https://tyrantwizard.com. Click OK. Name the source Tyrant, click OK. Step 3. Install Tyrant Wizard. Go back to the Kodi home screen, click on Add-ons, select Install from zip file, choose Tyrant, click on the Tyrant Wizard zip file, wait for the add-on installed notification. Step 4. Install Tyrant Build. Now it's time to install the actual build. Go to Add-ons, open Program Add-ons, select Tyrant Wizard, click on Build menu, choose Tyrant Build, select Fresh Install, Recommended, click Continue. Kodi will now download and install the build. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Conclusion. And that's it, you've successfully installed the Tyrant Build on Kodi, free and without Real-Debrid. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you face any issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.